Oh, there it is. CopterTube, what's up?
But I'm cool like
Oh,
that.
that is
I'm
cool
like that.
as heck.
I'm like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool. Okay, we're here today on this rainy day to do a cruise chase. One of my Instagram followers, which by the way you can follow me on Instagram right over here, asked me to chase the Harmony of the Seas, a cruise ship where he was going to be leaving to for vacation. As you see on the screen, it's raining. This is my setup that you see right now. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how the Mavic handles the rain, and let's see how it goes.
Take the home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, here we go. We are flying at 13 feet height. And you can see in my other camera here, there is a cruise ship. I believe I'm glitching because I'm doing a screen record. And the screen record is glitching. But let's see. Like I was mentioning before, a gentleman contacted me via Instagram. There's my Instagram handle, my address. And he asked me to chase a cruise ship. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let me stop recording the screen. Let's see what happened. Yeah, much smooth. I stopped the screen recording. Looks like I won't have a screen recording. I need a faster iPad. But here we go. Let's kick it into sports mode. And let's hit it. We're at 40 feet in height. And oh, I think there's a drop of water on the camera. And I believe it's pouring rain right now. I pressed stop recording by mistake. So yes, it's raining right now. And I'm still doing this. The ship. So let's see, there's the Harmony of the Seas. We're still going at 92 feet of height, pretty low, and I still got really good reception. I'll take a screenshot of that right now. So let's take a screenshot. Let's keep on going. He said he was gonna be on the left floor rider. So let's see here. There's a Harmony. We're in sports mode, going almost full, and I'm starting to break up a little. Let's see here. He said he was gonna be around this area here. And mind you, all those droplets that you hear, yeah, there it is, CopterTube. And there's his camera. All those droplets that you hear right now, that's raindrops. All right, well, mission accomplished. Is right there. We are at 9,000 feet away from home, a 59% battery. Just let the ship pass by. It's really hard to keep the drone and the ship moving. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna do like a droney and say goodbye. Alright guys, see ya. If you guys want me to do this for you, just send me a message via my Instagram that you see on the screen, or via my Facebook page that you see on the screen to both of the addresses. Alright, time to go home. It's flying backwards now. Alright, thank you guys for joining this cruise chase. The next cruise chase is gonna be with the Mavic 2 Pro. We will see what that drone could do. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, here's the address, and my Facebook page. Here's my address also. If you guys are interested in buying a drone, please click on the links on the video description. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.